Hello everybody, it's Sanna here again. Today it's the 26th of March and my the Wild Hare Kits March kits that was supposed to arrive beginning of March arrived today, and there's a reason for this because when it was shipped, something went wrong, obviously, and instead of shipping it to Austria, it landed in Australia, and it went all the way to Sydney and finally arrived today. So I thought, even though it's the end of the month and I've already created my layouts for March, I'm still going to share with you my March kit that was supposed to be my March kit, but it practically arrived in April. But we don't care because my April kit is not here yet, so I'm going to share this one with you today, and then when the April kit arrives I'm going to unbox that one too. And these are all things that happen when I think these are just accidents, so the Wild Hare Kits has nothing to do with it. The shipping address was totally correct. Things like that sometimes happen. Okay, let's start with unboxing. And I wished for crepe paper. How's this collection? Magical Forest, because I have some photos that I wanted to scrap about. I want to do a mini book about our trip to Finland 2018 fall, and this collection I thought would be perfect for those photos. So I wished for this product from this collection, and well, I didn't get to scrap with this one in March, but maybe I will do that in April. And let's look at the card first. Hi Sanna, happy crafting, creating Alison. And the shipping document says, ta-da! It says, hope you love your March kit. I included loads of the new Magical Forest collection and made sure to send the items you requested. I also included the March exclusive cut file. Enjoy. So this is the deluxe kit again. So this costs $38.95 plus shipping, and to Austria the shipping is $12.99. And I've got lots and lots and lots of Magical Forest crepe paper, and then I also got some Heidi Swap Honey and Spice, Heidi Swap Kindred. What else? That's about it, I think. So let's open this one up. Okay, I love the embellishments. Let's put these aside first. Oh, and that's the cut file. Okay, let's start with this. So this is, which way around? Magical Forest crepe paper. Paper is called Childhood. I love this rainbow, pastelic rainbow here. Rainbows are totally in at the moment. And oh, this wood grain is really beautiful. This is going to be so perfect for what I wanted to do. And then this one is Heidi Swap. Heidi Swap Happy Day Honey and Spice collection. Haven't had this paper yet and I love it. I love the colors. They work so well with this look. And surround yourself with people who have nothing but love to give. So true. That's really true. And I love the bicycles. Beautiful colors. I love this type of yellow. I really like it a lot. And then again, crepe paper Magical Forest. This paper is called Meadow Prairie, sorry. And then this beautiful green here. That's really nice. Perfect for my Finland photos. And then this one is, this is Jen Hatfield. This is family picnic paper. Oh, this is cool. This is really cool. And that's the background. Really like these. Oh, Alison, you did really well again. Crepe paper, Magical Forest, sunlight, and these rainbows. This is so cute. Love rainbows. And this ochre color, yellowish ochre. I don't know how to call that tone in English. And crepe paper, Magical Forest paper called Wishes. Love this. Also like the color a lot. Oh wow, that's cool. This is where the fun stuff happens. Oh, you can... Oh, I wish I had 2 of these. And oh, and this is even more great. I love this one. Hold on. Jen Hatfield, This is Family Fun Times. Oh, I love this paper here. I really, really, really like this paper. I need to buy some more of this before it goes out of, before they, you know, sell out or whatever. And on the other side, like project life cards, journaling cards, whatever. But I really love this one. This is so pretty. I'm so happy. And then crepe paper snowflake. Oh wow, that's cool. That's really clever to combine this paper with the magical forest. It works really well. The colors are really nice. And then something for winter, but I can use this for other things too. And the stars go really well. And this is again crepe paper magical forest. Always. Life with you is wonderful. Life with you is wonderful. Happiness lives inside the smallest moments. Love this. This is very pretty. Oh, and the background is nice too. Oh, this is going to be so hard to decide what to use. But as I'm making a mini book, I might use both sides. And this must be Heidi Swap. Yep, got it right. I love this. I love this look. I love this paint, cheap look here, like worn out paint. And then these gorgeous flowers. This is Honey and Spice by Heidi Swap. Beautiful. Works really well with the kids. Again, perfect match. Oh, this paper I know. This is also Heidi Swap. Kindred. Yes, because I've used this once before and I didn't know how to use this paper and I actually ended up using it. Small bits, but anyhow. And I love this bird page here. I love this design, so I'm definitely going to use that again. Love it. And then I've got a vellum, magical forest foil on vellum. So it's gold foil on rose gold foil on vellum, excuse me. And it's beautiful. Really, really like it. And then I can't wait to share this with you. Wait till you see this. This looks so pretty together. Look at these colors. I love it. All these soft tones here. Look how perfectly they go together. Thank you so much, Alison. I love this kit. This is so pretty. I love all the colors. And then let's do the flip. And also here, everything matches. I've got the strong patterns there and then this lovely wood grain. And everything works really well together. That's really a great kit again. I know I say this every time, but I really mean it. And then let's go for the embellishments. And this is the cut file. It says magic, and that's also perfect for my mini album that I'm planning to do. Then I've got, oh, that's stuck in there. Oops, let's take that out. So these are obviously the Magical Forest sticker alphas in rose gold. I love rose gold. This is beautiful. This is so, so pretty. And then what else do we have? I think these are paper clips and in matching colors. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I've got Simple Stories enamel dots. Love enamel dots. Love, love, love them. Haven't used them in a while, but every time I get them, I use every single piece of them. And this also goes so well with the colors. And then I've got this gorgeous puffy phrase and accent stickers. And it's called Brave. And I think this is also the Magical Forest by Crepe Paper. You amaze me, never grow up, be you, strong boy, make memories, made of stars, brave girl, oh my darling, I love these, best kid ever, all play all day, stay little forever, oh I wish, but mine are really already grown up. little explorer, wildflower, beautiful. And I love that rainbow there. Can you see that one? So pretty. And then what else do we got? We've got the Magical Forest stickers. And I think I asked for these and these. This was not on my wish list, but she knows me well. And oh, a strawberry, isn't that cute? And these are really strong rose gold, really, really strong tone there, but I love it. It looks really delicious. I've got strawberries, I've got mushrooms, rainbows, ladybugs, stars, hearts, rise and shine. I love it. Thank you so much, Alison. I really, really love my March kit, and I'm definitely going to make that mini album, and probably it's going to be in April, but anyways, I'm still going to do it. Thank you so much. I love this kit. This is so pretty. Okay, so that was the unboxing. So next you will be seeing projects created with this one, probably in April, but who cares? It's finally here, and I really, really adore my March kit. So this was my March Wild Hare Kits unboxing video, and there's more to come throughout next month on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, and on my blog. I hope you stop by and visit. Thanks for watching. Bye.